Hello everybody, welcome to this Terraria world with a guest that's coming on soon. Probably.
I'm coming in now.
Yep. That's a lot of birds from one tree. All of them are different. Oh, Fishy9 is here.
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
You were 7Q.
Oh, I have 69 wood. Funny number, ha ha.
Nice.
Gel.
So, we're gonna need to, oh.
Cool,
Wow.
it's raining
It's already
already.
raining. That doesn't happen every day. Does it?
By the way, I'm using a texture pack, that's why my world might look strange to some.
Yeah, I'm using the same texture pack too. Honestly, if you guys play Terraria, it's a pretty cool texture pack. You should probably get it. Unless you don't like it. If you don't like it, then you don't have to get it, of course.
Yeah. And why are my tools heavy?
I don't know. Mine
I have
are light.
heavy copper axe, heavy copper pickaxe, keen copper short sword.
I've got a light copper axe.
Cool. Terraria weight system makes sense, totally.
Especially with the fact that you can carry an entire inventory. Oh god. There's an umbrella slime. Kill it.
1.4, but this is 1.4, not modded.
Yeah. Because modded for me is currently very laggy and I do not want to deal with it right now.
Yep. Calamity intensifies.
Half of you guys probably don't even know
I think we
Calamity.
might do a Calamity run at some point, maybe.
But for
Big
now, just
maybe.
stick with this.
Very big maybe.
Big fat. That's a big fat maybe right there.
Yeah.
Big fat maybe. So you're gonna build us a house.
Yep.
So we can start getting started.
Well, it's gonna be wide boy house.
Yeah. Oh god.
No, please drop
Flying
rain song.
Panther.
Please drop rain song.
Didn't drop rain song. Honestly, imagine if you said that and it just drops rain song. That would be pretty funny.
My houses aren't the best looking, but I don't really care.
Yeah. Honestly, we'll think about vanity later. For now, it just needs to be functional.
Platinum armor is a meme. Lead armor is a meme. Oh yeah.
Lead armor's a meme?
Me and my friend have an inside joke about a cheese grater somewhere in the game.
Cheese grater.
Yes.
Found a lot of lead. That's pretty nice. Found it as soon as you said lead armor is a joke. Is cringe.
Well, it's not that cringe, but it's still kind of cringe.
Well.
Hopefully this is a titanium world.
Yeah.
Every time we get adamantite.
Except we should probably talk about titanium later, because that's much later in the game. We just
Hard
learned
mode
out,
after beating Wall of Flesh.
which is a boss. So the way the progression in Terraria works is you kind of have to beat bosses to start progressing through the game.
Eye of
for
Cthulhu
instance-
is technically the first boss that people want to beat.
Well, it goes from King Slime, which is the first boss, is a giant slime with a crowd. He hops around and tries jumping on you like Mario, but he drops not really that much good stuff, so that's why people preferably go for the second boss first, which is Eye of Cthulhu. Eye of Cthulhu can only be spawned at night, and basically it's just a giant eyeball. that flies
Well,
around.
technically, there's also more eyes in the game, but
Yeah.
the second type of boss eye is, well, the twins, except they're not
Yeah,
related to, the Eye of Cthulhu
Oh my
at
god,
all.
it's storming?
Why?
What?
Hey, why?
I mean, it doesn't do anything to the world, it's just I preferred. Oh my god, I got an umbrella hat.
I'm getting murdered by umbrella slimes right now. Yay.
Okay, currently I'm going to block off my hole so no pests get in
I
the
am
slime.
currently Why is the corruption very near our house right now?
Wait, what?
The corruption is, very close. And I
Oh,
do
boy.
not like it.
We should make a barrier, man.
Why
So
did I
that
just get
corruption
rope?
doesn't kill us.
Ah,
Lightning.
no, I fell in the corruption hole.
Oh no.
It's very deep, and I actually landed on some water. Great. Not great with the added factor of I can't see.
Well, you might be able to see. I don't really know what's going
Ow,
on.
I am currently getting killed. My two.
Owie.
Ow.
Rip.
That was gonna happen.
Yeah.
I
mean,
fell
it's
down
not
a
like we can
corruption
do this
hole.
no
That
death.
was I thought it was a cave because on the entrance of the mountain was a standard cave entrance, and then I fell into the corruption hole and I died.
I found a desert over on this side. It's a decent chunk far away from our house. But
Alright, I'm getting wood armor. I got a
nice.
small wooden sword. Really? Really, game? This is the size. This is smaller than a short sword.
Nice. I'm gonna gather up a lot of stone since I like building with stone. Stone's a nice building material.
And especially with this texture pack.
Yeah, it looks much better. Like, regular stone looks like pebbles. This stone actually looks like little, like, rocks.
Oh yeah, by the way, I've seen some of the textures in this mod. Just by peeking into the font. This is not a mod. I forgot it's a texture pack. Yeah, it
texture
seems like a mod, but it isn't.
Yeah.
Yay,
Of course,
Stormy.
they must have got Stormy.
Again.
Oh, I thought you were oh my god, why did I think you were talking about the dog from Thorium? Stormy the dog from Thorium. Thorium's another mod. You guys probably don't know it either, so.
And if you do, smash a like.
Oh, it's just kind of dumb, but okay.
Yes.
Do it anyway.
YouTubers do that anyway, and I don't care, so.
Yeah. Subscribe.
Yep. Here's E.
Nice. I'm coming home. It's very stormy.
Chop, chop, chop.
Chopping down the tree.
Burning some slimes. Seriously. This is so small. But a slime gave me 70 silver, so I'm not complaining.
Oh, he must have had extras in him.
Okay, I got
Maybe
a
we
full
could-
set of wood. I'm gonna make myself another wooden sword because I'm not dealing with a small one. Let's see. We need doors. Doors exist. Alright, it's very dark and I don't like it.
It is very dark.
At least we have protect. Now we just need walls.
It's also way too dark. Oh, see, want to know something cringe?
Sure.
Arthur, look at this. Hold on, we need to place down a torch first, though.
Okay.
Let's get a torch down. So, you know, stone looks like this, right?
Yeah.
It looks cool. It looks really cool. But on the other hand, let me mine up all this first.
Oh, I got a stone. Haha, got your stone. I don't really need
But then
it.
on the other hand, stone walls.
Disgusting.
Not. Yeah, they're disgusting. Hey, give me my walls back.
Turn them back into stone where they come from.
Yes, I did it. At least they're not inconvertible.
Yeah, I guess. Alright, got 2 leftover walls. First of all, I'm making some more NPC housing. I need door. Okay, got more door.
I got an anvil.
Cool. That's how this should be able to be like a valid.
Yo. Making a lead broadsword.
Demon Eye looks sick.
Nice. And I'm gonna make a lead pickaxe.
And I don't have any more wood.
Oh, I've got this one. Oh god, the zombies are coming out. Oh, and there's an eye, and there's a demon eye. First
Nice broadsword.
Yes, it looks epic. There's enemies everywhere. Kill them. Especially these raincoat boys. Okay, I'm gonna light up our lawn a bit. It's a bit dark.
Oh look, a zombie. I wonder if guy decided. Okay, I opened the door because I wanted to murder it.
Oh, he looks so weird.
Compared to normal Terraria zombies, at least.
They didn't change raincoat zombies at all.
Yeah, they didn't, sadly.
Look, there's another one. This guy's got like a skull. He looks like a skeleton.
Alright, I need wood. ASAP. Which means I'm gonna plant.
God.
Plant trees.
Oh, dude, this zombie has had better days. He's been impaled through the face by arrows, man.
Nice. Good to know.
I mean, he's already dead, so he probably can't feel the pain, right? I don't really care anyways. He's a zombie. He's trying to kill me.
I wish you can cheese King Slime with just, flare gun.
Burn him to death?
Yes. I don't have any ores, sadly.
You don't have any ores?
I don't have any weapons except this and my small version. That is literally a short sword.
Look how the hammer looks, by the way. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, by the way, maybe join Red.
Oh, right. Bonk, 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 bonk.
I am going to die.
Oh no.
Why die?
You're lagging a lot. No.
Why does that look like a mechanical eye?
I honestly don't know. I ate a mushroom.
Alright, so desert is on the left, corruption on the right.
Arthur. I'm being chased by a demon eye. Bonk.
I had a lag spike real quick. As soon
here.
as you were gonna attack that eye.
And
Corruption's on the right, by the way. You're going towards the corruption. Right over that hill is the corruption.
Nope.
I told you, corruption.
I know.
Ow. I have almost 1 gold on me.
Okay, I can't help you with that.
What we need right now is the merchant.
Mercan.
Oh no, close the door. Close the door. No, get out.
Oh, it's a tiny baby zombie! Run! He's gonna kill us. Okay, he did.
Snake. There was a duplication glitch in 1.3.
Except it's not 1.3 anymore.
It's 1.4. Duplication glitch gone.
Oh, hold on.
It's sad, but
this room is too small!
really? Just move the door, I guess. Not extend the house. Move the door a bit to the right. Might have also worked.
You have to extend first.
Right. These should be valid housing, right?
Yeah.
This housing is suitable. This housing is suitable.
I'm being formed by zombies and I'm killing them all. Yes. They're all dead. No!
I got the fallen star.
No! Okay, let's stop. No!
I think I want to make a mine shaft next to our house right here.
Where?
Like,
Right where the zombie is? You
Yes.
wanna have the zombie in the mineshaft?
wait, can't I just do this? He's like, nah, fam, I'm leaving.
Wait! I need to test something. Let them come back? Is this a way to prevent blood moon zombies from opening up your doors?
Maybe.
At night? It is! See, look, they'll fall in the pit and go on the roof.
On my screen, they just jumped on the roof.
Oh, on my screen they fell in the pit and then jumped on the roof.
Lag is a thing. I hate zombos. And you have a clearly better sword than me.
Yes. Ah!
Merchant comes when you have 50 silver, right?
Somewhere around that, yeah.
I have almost 1 gold and, you know.
I've got one fancy looking lead bar.
Can I see?
Fancy.
I need a sword. Better sword.
I have one lead bar.
Oh, I see the guy,
Yeah.
I might have to censor that.
Problem. Oh, wait, what? Why is that guy so slow? Look how slow that one is.
On my screen, they're all the same speed.
No, the one that looks like he has plants on his head.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna kill him.
Zombies, want some dirt?
No. Oh! The zombie that has plants on it. That's the zombie that I always thought had the weird hairdo.
Hey, can you remove the dirt block up there?
You do it. Brave soldier.
I have almost a gold on me.
These are like pits. We can jump out of those pits.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Why are you doing an ad?
It's not an ad. It's a meme. No, not the goldfish. Oh.
I'm gonna make it 1 block wider so the zombies don't just jump on the roof.
Make sure not to kill a fish. You killed the fish.
I killed the fish. I killed my own kind. This is murder.
Among Us.
Yes!
Among
He's
Us.
in the pit. He can get out of the pit.
Among Us.
They can get out of the pit, but at least the pit is there to prevent them from opening
Among
up.
Us. Among Us.
Among of the bus thingy. Among bus. Sus bus. Ah, what was that?
Hey guys, it's a sus bus.
Oh, they're running. It's day, even though it doesn't look like day. Apparently.
It's probably 4:30 in the morning in this game.
Bonk, bonk. No, you're wrong.
I'm the scat here.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
It just looks like he's trying to run away from your bonk.
What is that flying fish doing?
He's running away, of course.
Oh no. Hey, slime. Bonk, bonk.
Alright, I made all the torches I can.
Nice. I like the music for like the morning rain kind of stuff. It's kind of cool.
No, they're rainy fish. Flying fish, more specifically. There's more annoying things in hard mode.
Yes.
Way more. AKA
Especially
cough
very angry
wyverns.
And very angry clouds.
Nimbuses are kind of easy.
Yeah, but they're very angry, so we count them as home.
I see the iron vein that you mined, I guess.
That's huge.
Oh no, not the rain, man! Not the rainy, man!
Man. I made it so that enemies can get trapped in these pits. There are 2 traps on the side of our house.
I see also another cave that you went down. I think I
don't
would go
think
gather cacti now.
Oh, why? Cactus armor and stuff.
Cactus armor is technically the same as,
Almost the same. It has slightly better stuff than wood.
it has thorns, that's it.
Yeah, it has the thorns effect. Plus some extra defense, because unlike wood armor, their leggings actually have defense.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna collect the day balloon because I want the vanity set. Oh no, not the hecking bird. No.
Beard.
Bird. It's the vulture. Yay, merchant is here.
Oh my god, I forgot how weird he looked. Oh, and he fell right into the trap. Alright.
Ripperooski. I'm currently murdering 2 birds.
Nice.
One flying and another flying. Currently killing a fish and I'm currently killing a fish and the bird. Both are flying. By the way, there is actually real life flying fish.
Yeah, except they don't actually fly like birds.
They don't fly so graciously.
Why did they call them flying fish instead
Because
of
they can actually sort of fly out of the water.
I know, but they glide, kind of.
They jump out, then they start gliding a bit.
Well, first, I kind of remember, don't they skid on the water first? Like they skid with their tails on the top of the water. And then when they gain up enough momentum, they spread out their wings, catch the wind, and start gliding.
I don't know.
away.
I haven't researched too far into it.
Yeah, neither have I.
But I know they
pretty
can somewhat fly. But they can't fly,
They just glide.
No, they actually kind of fly. Kind of. By just flapping their bee wings, I guess.
It's more like fin wings.
Yeah.
Which actually exists in Terraria. Cool.
What is the best wings in Terraria? Solar wings.
Yeah, solar wings are the best wings.
Everybody knows solars are the best.
Maybe.
Probably. Because they're the most late game.
I'm trying to make it so that the track is wide enough. So that
hey, merchant, you're stuck in the trap.
You have been trapped. Eventually, we can put lava
Shop.
on me.
I would like to buy a piggy bank.
Piggy bank master.
Mining helmet is so expensive.
Now most enemies can fall in these pits.
And
Except
we
for the other
can
one.
barely get up on them. Where we got
Just
piggy yank.
Piggy ankle. that isn't really a joke. That isn't really that funny. It's just like a little giggle, but then it's over.
Obscure reference.
I can't get out.
You can. You just need to focus.
Focus.
Actually, you can remove this block right there. You don't need it. You can just hold jump to get up to our house.
No, but I wanted to also be able to get out.
Yoink!
And I want to make sure that enemies can't get out, so there's that little block again.
Actually, that makes it impossible. Actually, that makes it possible. Everything is possible in Terraria.
Enemies only jump up like walls like this, so their heads will just get bonked by the blocks.
We had to
They won't be super mega smart and just do that.
I want to go musket rush. I want to go get the musket.
Rush for musket?
Yep. Because that exists. Musket rush.
I mean, you need bombs, though.
Yeah. Guess who we don't have? Demolitionist.
I mean, we could just find some bombs.
By the way, my friend is not using teleportation axe. It's just lag.
Yeah, it's just lag.
Big lag.
Frankly, fine. I don't even know if you can hack Terraria. Even I don't even know. But
You might. I don't know.
I mean, you probably can.
In PV. I mean, I got leaf wand. I just got leaf wand.
I remember how better sand looks in this. Much better
I got
sand.
leaf wand. Ha ha. Funny leaf go burr.
It finally stopped raining since the beginning of the game.
After probably, I don't know, 25 minutes?
I mean, probably not. I don't think it's been that long, right?
Actually, it has.
Oh, Jesus heck.
I checked the recording software.
Record soft. Malware. There's a pyramid! There's a pyramid in the desert!
Nice.
There's a friggin' pyramid.
What does it have inside? Hopefully not the garbage vanity.
Oh god, if it has to be.
In my single player adventure thing,
It had that, didn't it?
yeah, nothing else, sadly.
I know it sucks. Why did they even put that there?
I wish there was a magic carpet in that one, but
Oh my god, magic carpet's overpowered.
yeah, but in my that
It's
world,
practically like free hard mode. Flight almost. Oh, and guess what goes in there? Flying
magic
carpet.
carpet.
And 12 bombs.
Well, keep those. Or need
Yeah, I'll take
demolitionist.
everything. And I'm gonna take the chest. And I'm gonna loot every single one of these pots, and then I'm gonna go commit suicide, kind of, by going down. Which is basically suicide, if you think about it, since...
You can very easily probably get out.
I'm not saying it's like I can get trapped down here, but I'm saying it's dangerous, because the underground desert was.
By the way, no subtitles.
No subtitles.
Blinded people, sorry.
Well,
Wait.
I mean, you can always enable the subtitles.
I guess. But
Also, by the way, if you're in the underground desert
okay.
and you're not standing behind underground desert walls, you're actually considered in the underground and not the underground desert.
Yeah.
But once you go inside of the desert walls,
Why did my Terraria music just decide to get much louder? Oh, look! It's a rolling boulder. What?
rolling boulder.
It's
You mean
a
a rolling cactus.
yes.
Deadly.
By the way, anybody who doesn't know what a desert cactus does, you know, a rolling cactus does.
They're like, basically, it's a boulder. Boulders in this game kind of, once they're triggered, they roll and deal massive damage, potentially killing your player instantly. But rolling cacti, not only are they stronger, but they also, when they hit an object or a wall and they crumble and like break, they release cactus spikes which deal damage.
And they have the ability to jump, pretty much.
Yeah, and they can also jump.
Not controllably, they bounce.
Like they can bounce off like little. It has to be very specific on specific places, like specific blocks, kinda. But yeah, they can.
Oh no, I killed a scorpion. Ha ha.
Oh, cool. There's another corruption.
Well, I guess we're gonna need to use the corruption.
Yeah.
We need demolitionists, though.
He'll move in.
Eventually.
Eventually, yeah.
What if he never moves in?
Yeah. I just realized having this desert right next to the corruption is actually a pretty good, ideal opportunity.
To get
Because
dark
later-
the Onyx Blaster, I
Well,
guess.
yeah, that later. But in pre-hard, this is only going to be functional in pre-hard mode unless we build a barrier to protect the desert. If we build a barrier to protect the desert, we can make a house inside the desert. Get desert pylon from happy NPCs, and then use the desert pylon if we have another pylon at our main base for quick transportation to a corruption biome instead of having to walk. Because both of our, I mean, we can just walk to the one right next to our house. It really doesn't matter. But
Help me, please. There's 3 vultures currently murdering me right
don't go down the hole I just went down. It's a fake. It's an imposter. When the imposter
Among Us.
sucks.
I am dead. I am dead.
You are dead. Not big surprise.
Cool. Surprise. This is now a
Surprise,
30-minute
surprise.
recording. Nice. The entire video is rain.
Almost the entire video.
Oh yeah, by the way, we can't see each other on the map because we are far. Oh, I have wild mushroom. How can I even make a wild mushroom?
Some things.
Probably like,
Arthur, I have a very big issue.
okay.
I have managed to get very sad as most of the holes I'm going down do not have.
I need a bottle.
Why?
You know why?
Why do you want vital powder?
Worm food. Isn't it obvious?
I'm being gnawed to death. No, 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 no. Please spare me, my friends. No, not friends.
Alright, I got
Dangerous
full
beast!
cactus armor. Got full cactus armor. To make full cactus armor, you need 75 cactus. Exactly. I am a cactus boy.
We spawn on the roof.
Nice. Everybody knows. Do you
Our
know
pain
the
is
feeling of
suffering.
spawning on a roof?
It's pain.
Yes, big pain, especially during blood. But has one upside when you're fighting bosses
Yeah, you don't have to go out of the house.
and risk your NPCs' lives.
But that's
Here's the thing, most bosses disappear when you use recall potion, while the flesh kills you when you teleport back.
well, they don't disappear when you teleport back. They only do that if you're too far away. So if you run way faster than the boss runs, then well, good luck.
Yeah.
Might have some issues.
Queen Bee doesn't despawn.
Neither is Destroyer, the boss.
Here's what Queen Bee decides to do. Oh, you're away from my homeland? Time to go.
And kills you, basically.
Yeah.
You just die. You literally just die. There's like no. You cannot be safe from that. Here's
At
one
that
thing I'm
point,
gonna
this
do.
is the only thing she does when you're out of the jungle. Just dash and dash.
Goes meow. I'm gonna make these pits deeper and add ropes to get out.
Okay.
Because that worked. I think that's about deep enough. I know it doesn't really have
Crippler.
I really know it doesn't have to be this deep. But yeah.
I have have a wooden sword. Wait, I think a Terraria day lasts 30 minutes.
No. It's been multiple nights.
2 nights, I think?
Yeah.
Which means technically it's 15 minutes
Well,
long, right?
Imagine trying to do in the 100 days challenge in Terraria.
That'll be probably many hours.
Hours. Maybe even separate recordings even.
Yeah. Alright, we've been recording for 35 minutes.
I think we could probably stop here.
Well, yeah, let's end it here.
Yeah.
Wait, let me give you a torch. If you have a torch.
As we casually watch 2 zombies with their rotten brains jump into a pit that cannot escape.
Well, this is the end here, so hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video, whatever that would be.
And also subscribe.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.